art meets speed, where design becomes obsession, and where automotive engineering crosses into the realm of sculpture. What you're about to see isn't just a car, it's a statement, a masterpiece, a rolling legend. I'm talking about the Pagani Zonda Imperial Radiance 2026, and before you even hear it roar, it already captures your soul. This hypercar asks a dangerous question. Is this the most beautiful car ever built? The first time you see it, you realize Pagani didn't just design a car, they created a living piece of art. Every curve, every vent, every line feels intentional, emotional, almost alive. It doesn't follow trends, it sets them. The Zonda Imperial Radiance feels like it belongs to the future, the past, and a dream world all at once. The carbon fiber body flows like liquid silk, perfectly sculpted by hands that clearly obsessed over every millimeter. The craftsmanship here isn't industrial, it's personal, and that's what makes it so captivating. From the front, the Zonda immediately commands attention. The headlights are aggressive yet elegant, a perfect balance of art and function. The nose is low and wide, radiating confidence, almost daring the road to challenge it. Air intakes are not just functional, they're mini sculptures, carved to perfection, showing that Pagani treats engineering as an art form. Everything at the front is a statement. This car doesn't need to scream, it demands respect. Looking at the side profile, the drama continues. The car sits low, its muscular curves flowing seamlessly from wheel to wheel. Exposed carbon fiber textures catch light in a way that makes the car appear alive, constantly shifting with every angle. The aerodynamic elements are not just functional, they enhance the emotion. Every vent, every line, every wheel spoke looks as if it belongs in a gallery, not a showroom. It's an obsession with perfection, and it shows. At the rear, the Zonda truly asserts its dominance. The quad exhaust sits proudly like a crown, a subtle reminder that beneath all this beauty lies raw, untamed power. The diffuser is sculpted, not manufactured, blending seamlessly with the glowing futuristic taillights. The rear isn't just a view, it's a signature. An announcement that this car is in a league of its own. Step inside, and the cockpit is where the magic becomes intimate. The interior is pure Pagani theater. Hand-stitched leather, polished carbon fiber, exposed metal accents, and analog controls meet modern tech in perfect harmony. The steering wheel feels like it belongs in a luxury timepiece. Every button and switch, tactile, satisfying, and intentional. This isn't a car designed for Instagram likes. It's designed to connect you to the machine. The dashboard glows softly, and every glance inside reminds you that you're not just driving a car, you're piloting a masterpiece. And yes, performance matters, but with a car like this, it isn't about numbers. It's about how it feels. The engine's growl, the feedback through the chassis, the raw mechanical soul. Goosebumps, respect, love, fear. Pagani doesn't need to compete with Ferrari, Bugatti, or Lamborghini. The Zonda Imperial Radiance exists above comparison. It's for collectors who don't just buy cars, they collect history. So what do you think? Is this truly the world's most beautiful car? Or has Pagani gone too far into artistry and emotion? Let me know in the comments. If this car stole your heart, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe, because masterpieces like the Pagani Zonda Imperial Radiance 2026 don't come around often. And when they do, they demand to be remembered.